Hey everyone, my name is Julia, I'm a painter and 3D artist and welcome back to my CG Bear channel. I haven't published any videos for a while and it's hard to believe how happy I am just sitting here and filming this new video, because I'm very excited to share videos and just tell you about my new project. This is just the first part and the second part I will publish a little later. And first I want to tell you the background story about this project because this is really very interesting to hear. I was really inspired with the American racing culture and the world where the car just started to produce. So many people just fell in love with cars, with racing, this drive, this just incredible feelings. And I hope you will be able to see it and feel in my project when it's done. I just really wanted to make something special and recreate this atmosphere and make something that I really will enjoy to watch, and I really enjoy working on that very much. If you like my model and you really want to use it for your own project, you can get this model on the TurboSquid platform, Blender Market. All the links you can find in the description to this video. And you also can subscribe to my Patreon page, and all the subscribers will get discount for this model. You can just support me or you can use it for your own projects. And if you're ready to see my new project, then let's get started. All the models I made in Blender and also textured them in Substance Painter, the new version. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the Blender project and how exactly I did it, about texturing type and the models in general. As you can see, I have lots of items right here. I started working in one Blender project and then I just exported each model as separate FBX file. For me, it was just really important to see the proportion and to know how many objects I really need. It is just base color and normal map. For the texturing method, I use the Atlas. Here you can see in my UV window that I have lots of different texture on one sheet. And I got here empty space, so if I need to make additional object with different texture, I just can really very easily go to Substance Painter and place new texture there. And for more details, I just use the decals inside the engine. In this way, I just save my time for texturing UV unwrapping, which is actually help a lot. And I can use the decals inside the engine so I can change how the items looks later. I decided to show you the model in Blender so you can see the model without any materials, and you can see the topology with wireframe mode in Blender. I just get back to Unreal Engine 5 and started making the stuff there. And welcome inside my Unreal Engine 5 project. I'm just gonna turn on the default viewport so you can see how it was built. I have the terrain here, and also I use those objects from the Megascan library. You can find it here, go to the window, Quixel Breach, and there you can find lots of neat stuff then you can download. I made the models, but some of them, like this barrel and these cans, I also downloaded from the library. As you can see here, I use lots of decals, especially for the road signs and also for these gas tanks right here. I do like use the decals a lot. I also use the decals for such effects as the sand right here, so I can bring more life in the project. I like it a lot. I use the brush to place all the grass here. It was really fun to place all this grass and just play with all those cactuses and stuff like that. And I got so many options right here that I got from the library. I think that was definitely the fun part. It's also very easy to turn on the wind for the grass, and I like the result a lot. You can also see the lights right here, and that's because I was planning to make the night version of the project, so you will see all those street lights and the lights from the car. That's gonna be just really very special, atmospheric, and I just cannot wait to show it to you. I haven't used Unreal Engine for probably 1.5 years. Instead of Unreal Engine 5, I use Unity, and I'm just so excited to get back to Unreal Engine and see all the updates, especially about materials, and I just cannot wait when I will test everything, try everything. I just will be really very happy to share it here on my YouTube channel. It was just really very interesting to get back and notice all the difference between tools and how the scene works here. I still think that Unreal Engine 5 is a great engine for the artists, and it's a great way to make your own projects, and everything is so friendly here. In this industry, you just have to learn all the time because new tools are available in such a short period of time. You can subscribe to my Patreon page where I publish lots of interesting information, like I write the articles about Blender, about my own experience in Unreal Engine, in Unity, Substance Painter, so you can actually learn a lot from that. And also I publish renders and video that you will never able to see in other social medias. Some models from my videos you will be able to get there on my page on Patreon. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you will check the second part with vehicle animation, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, click like and leave the comment to this video, so YouTube will recommend this video for new people. You can share about your project in the comments and tell what engine do you like more, Unreal Engine or Unity. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.